Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aini Salsabila, but you may call me Sasa. I'm 18 years old. I come from Indonesia and I speak Indonesia in my daily activities. Now I living in Sulawatang with my family. I study at Al Azhar Mandar University and I'm first semester in the Agriculture Agribusiness Department. In my family, I'm the second child. I have three siblings, one brother and two sisters. My hobby is watching movies and my ambition is a businessman. I like food but I don't like egg, and in my spare time I actually like to sleep. This video I will read an article, Global Impact of COVID-19 on Agriculture, Role of Sustainable Agriculture and Digital Farming. Abstract. The rise and spread of the coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19, has created an imbalance in all sectors worldwide, massively disrupting the global economy. Social distancing, quarantine regulation, and strict travel restrictions have led a major reduction in the workforce and loss of jobs across all industrial sector. One of the sectors completely exposed was the agriculture and food sector. The initiation of nationwide lockdown by the government resulted in the shutdown of industries globally, impacting the overall supply chain from farmer to consumer. The need of the hour is to propose effective solution which can serve the dual purpose of the market growth as well as consumer satisfaction. This paper reviews the impact of COVID-19 on the agro-food system and its economy, stressing article factor like food production, demand, price hikes, security, and supply chain resilience. To conserve natural resources and meet the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), importance has been given to adapting sustainable agricultural practices with a prime focus on techniques like urban agriculture, crop rotation, hydroponics, and family farming. Possible advancements like the use of digital tools, mainly artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and blockchain technology in the agro-food sector have been discussed, and as they could be a promising tool, the tool to develop a self-reliant society. This work will be a perfect platform to understand the growing impact of the pandemic as well as supporting cost-effective solution for a green ecosystem. First paragraph. The outbreak of the global coronavirus (COVID-19) pandemic posed a significant threat to health with a ripple effect on various sectors impacting human life. The virus rapidly spread and affected economies to bring out invasions in both the agriculture and industrial sector, resulting in food insecurity. Jumper et al. 2020. Different national and international organizations like Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, International Food Policy Research Institute, EFPRI, have tried to keep the global market open, Pu and Zhong 2020. However, the rapid transmission of the virus resulted in several nations restricting international trade and travel, resulting in poverty, hunger, and malnutrition across the globe. Torero 2020. The virus saw its first sight in the December 2019 when a pneumonia outbreak took place in the Wuhan province of China about et al. 2020. Kumar et al. 2020. World Health Organization, WHO, later declared the outbreak of COVID-19 as public health emergency of international concern in January 2020. Sadat et al. 2020. Osman et al. 2020. The continuous transmission of the virus has led to crude mortality of 3.4% across the world. The initial outbreak of COVID-19 was seen in China and gradually spread to 190 countries across the world. Sharma et al. 2020. As of September 2020, India has become one of the top epicenters of COVID-19. According to the National Institute of Epidemiology and recent Bloomberg report, the country could easily surpass USA and Brazil due to daily surge in cases. Alsteder 2020. The COVID-19 virus can be transmitted through direct surface contact, touch, or via respiratory drops while sneezing or choking. Mandal et al. 2020. The virus has also been shown to impact individuals with low immunity or those who live in the densely populated region. Eisenberg 2020. The hidden cascading domino effect has proven prevention as a challenging path in the interconnected world. The majority of the growing sector have been adversely impacted, including the agriculture and food industry. The sector continues to combat challenge from the aspect of the producer as well as consumers for restrictions, labor shocks, speed to market, and priority buying of commodities. Lukstead et al. 2020, Rajput et al. 2020. For decades, agriculture has played a critical part in fostering the economic of different nations. It has been the source for early development in countries like the UK, French, and the Netherlands. Allen 2000. Major transmission in the agriculture sector were observed in the late 1900s when there was a switch from labor-intensive and bullock farming to mechanization and usage of large equipment. The 21st century as depicted in Fig. The January and Satellite 2020. Along with modern equipment, the improvement in crop varieties, animal-based farming, and usage of different fertilizer were other in interest to increase yield and production capacity. This created a spark for revolutioning the agro-food sector. The agro-industry has always been the expected route of growth for blanching import, export, and managing international trade relations. Kiao et al. 2007. With the sudden outbreak of COVID-19, the sector has been hit with several risks related to trade, transport, price volatility, and rising debts. To add on the declaration of nationwide lockdown exacerbate the situation resulting in shortage of labor supply, lack of availability of fertilizer, imbalance in supply demand, and problem associated with harvesting due to social distancing. Consultancy Asia 2020, Insight 2020. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.